Hey everybody, it's time to get out and wander again. Today we're going to head to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and see what kind of fun we can find up there. So see you there. So we got to the Mackinac Bridge and it's 5 miles long between the lower and the upper peninsula. And in the late 1800s is when they first started checking the feasibility about putting a bridge across this strait. And there was starts and stops over the years. And it wasn't until the 1950s that it finally got some traction. And in 1953, they sold bonds to build the bridge. 1954, they actually started building this bridge, and the first vehicle use was in 1957. Today, it's a $4 toll for cars, and then there's some extra fees for trailers and semis and other vehicles like that.
That's Mackinac Island, which a ferry service runs to from the peninsulas. There are no vehicles on the island. It's all horse and buggy or bicycles.
Our first stop on this trip is in the Carp River Campground. It's in the Hiawatha National Forest. It was about a 6-hour drive from our house. And let me show you the site that we got. Just off from our campsite, which was number 6, there's a walk down to Carp River. So let's see what it's all about down here. So we made the drive from St. Ignace to Munising, and we got a kayak trip booked for tomorrow. That's gonna go take us out around the Pictured Rock area, and it's gonna be pretty exciting. After we left there, we did come and find a campsite. It's called Bay Furnace Campground, and it seems like it's a really nice place. Let me show you our site here. This campsite that we're at, Bay Furnace, is on Lake Superior. So we're going to take a walk right now and check out the beach, see what the lake looks like this day. So right now we're at Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. We're at their visitor center. I'm going to check this out, and after that go to Munising Falls and something called Miner's Castle. Your video.
in there. That's a good picture.
So after about a 5-mile drive down a dirt road, a little bit of bumps here and there, and there's a trailhead. One way goes to Mosquito Falls, the other way goes to Chapel Falls. So we're going to try the Mosquito Falls first. I'm not sure if this is Mosquito Falls or not. Aha! Found them. Finally got you Mosquito Falls. And here's another section of the falls. Back there in the distance is more. Well, it's day 3, October 2nd, 2021, and we are getting ready to go on a kayaking adventure. Take us out into Lake Superior, and we'll go around some of the pretty viewpoints of Pictured Rock. So here we go. Let's go kayaking. This one is called Falcon Cave. Up top there, during snow melt, is Bridalveil Falls. Just seasonal though. So the cliffs are made of sandstone, and water carries minerals out from the interior. The coloration is from mostly iron, magnesium, and copper.
You can see all the finger marks that people scrape and paint on.
Hey everybody, it's day 4 of our trip to Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and we had a blast yesterday. We kayaked along the shore of Lake Superior, in the Pictured Rock National Lakeshore. So had again great time. If you get a chance, it's a fun trip. From here, we're going to head south. We're going to go to Sleeping Bear Dunes and check out that on the shores of Lake Michigan. We'll see the big dunes there, and another night camping. See you there.